Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to download the 2021 Canadian version. Hi, I'm Anna. I will walk you through this course. It is a very simple process to download the 2021 version of Sage 50 Desktop. Open your favorite browser. Type in support.na.sage.com/self-service/view-content.do?external LD=106922. Press Enter. Before you start downloading, you can scroll down a bit to see what's new in this version. In the latest version, you have a lot of payroll updates, including the tax bracket updates. To download, all you have to do is to click the download button to start an auto download of the version. Accounting is a specialized job. You can always consult a specialist at the link given in the description for assistance with Sage 50 Desktop Accounting. Hope you learned something new in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.